Come here, squirrels. Hey, I'm Hugh, and we're here today to talk about the Raptor Air Quad with a bunch of crazy dogs. All right, they're claiming this thing is a $5,000 advanced military drone developed to do stealth missions from over a mile away, and it just became available to the public. It's not true. This is a 6-year-old brushed drone design, and it's a $30 kid's toy. They claim it has all these advanced features like AI follow me. It has no AI follow me on their little application screen, and when you go to the website, there's no AI follow me there because it's one of those features that is on the commercial but not advertised on the website because it doesn't exist. Just like the collision detection. This thing has no collision detection on it. In order to have collision detection, a drone either has to have a LiDAR system that's scanning the area 360 degrees or a 360-degree camera that's running an algorithm to do terrain mapping to map potential obstacles. This isn't doing any of that stuff. There's no advanced stuff going on in here. You want to know why? Let's test out that collision detection. Okay, no collision detection. Then it claims it has advanced GPS functionality. There's no GPS in this. That's gonna return to home when the battery is weak or it has a low signal. No GPS antenna. There's no GPS on the board. There's no GPS inside this thing. No GPS mentioned on the website again, because it's one of those features that disappears between the commercial and the website. It also claims it has this super gimbal to take smooth, stunning footage. This gimbal is fixed. You can only move it with your hand. There's no pan, tilt, up, down, zoom function. This is a crappy camera that shoots in 720p, only streaming to your phone. In the footage, they show SD card slots on the side. There is no SD card slots on the side of this drone. There's no SD card slot on the bottom or the front either. The only way to capture video is to stream it through over Wi-Fi to your phone. And as soon as you lose connection with the crappy lagged video, it cuts out and it doesn't come back. You can't fly this thing FPV because the lag is just so crazy. And I had to actually cut away a portion of the plastic in the front up here so that way my camera could aim far enough forward to see straight in front of it. But it's not like I want to use that camera anyway. Here's an example of the footage taken on this camera and then Insta360 Go that I mounted on the top, and you'll see the difference. The Insta360 Go is like a 3-year-old camera now. It's not even close to an expensive action camera. It's less than $140. Let's see the difference. So as you can see for yourself, this thing has none of those advanced features that make it worth $5,000. It's just a $30 kid's toy with brushed motors, not even brushless motors. So don't buy the Raptor Air drone. Don't buy any other miracle advanced product that's taking over the industry and then giving you a 50% discount on YouTube or any other social media, because these things seem to be prevalent and rampant, and it's garbage, all right? This is a generic product that they're hyping for 3 times the price, and they're hoping that you don't want your money back. It's a scam. Have a great day. Use scam products. Everybody's the good doggies. Well, hi, Phil. You coming to the party? Hi, buddy. Hey, guys. Relax. Good dogs. Lost my microphone somewhere in the pocket. Oh my goodness gracious. You guys are so annoying. Inside, outside, inside, outside, inside. Make it mine. Cuckoo.